Welcome to Auto OWO Car. Today we're exploring a true heavyweight in the world of commercial vans, the GMC Savannah G3500. This van has built its reputation on power, durability, and versatility, making it a top choice for businesses and fleets across the globe. If the GMC Savannah 2500 is considered tough, then the G3500 takes the toughness to another level. It's built for those who demand maximum capability and strength. At first glance, the Savannah G3500 looks like a traditional, no-nonsense full-size van. Its boxy design prioritizes space and utility over sleek styling. For fleet managers, contractors, and transport operators, this van is more than just a vehicle, it's a work tool. The body-on-frame construction gives it truck-like strength, allowing it to handle heavy payloads, tough towing jobs, and years of demanding work. Unlike unibody vans that may struggle under extreme conditions, the G3500 stands firm. Under the hood, power is the name of the game. It offers V8 engine options ranging from about 285 horsepower in the 4.8L V8 to over 300 horsepower in the 6.0L V8, paired with automatic transmissions built for steady performance and reliability. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds, this van thrives under pressure, easily pulling trailers, equipment, or additional cargo. Its payload capacity, between 3,500 and 4,500 pounds depending on the trim, makes it perfect for heavy tools, delivery loads, or custom conversions. Many upfitters use the G3500 as a base for box trucks, shuttle buses, and service vehicles due to its adaptable platform. The van's gross vehicle weight rating (GVWR) of around 9,600 pounds puts it squarely in the heavy-duty league. GMC offers the G3500 in multiple configurations: cargo van, passenger van, and cutaway chassis, suitable for ambulances, school buses, RVs, or cube vans. The extended wheelbase version provides even more cargo or passenger space, accommodating up to 15 passengers comfortably. Inside, the focus is on practicality and durability. Cargo versions feature a flat, spacious floor with tie-down points and heavy-duty vinyl surfaces that are easy to clean. Passenger models include air conditioning, multiple seat rows, and optional comfort features. Technology-wise, the G3500 can be equipped with Wi-Fi hotspot capability, Bluetooth, navigation, and a rear-view camera, tools designed to make the driver's job easier and more efficient. In terms of safety, GMC includes StabiliTrak stability control, traction control, and hill start assist as standard. Optional features like rear park assist and blind spot monitoring enhance driver confidence, especially in tight spaces. One of the van's greatest strengths is its proven reliability. The Savannah G3500 has seen few changes over the years, and that consistency is exactly why businesses trust it. Replacement parts are easy to find, mechanics are familiar with its systems, and maintenance costs remain low, a big plus for fleet managers. Of course, there are trade-offs. Fuel economy is not its strong point, especially with the larger version 8s, and its size can make city driving challenging. But these compromises are expected in a van built for maximum strength and durability. For custom conversions, the G3500 is a favorite. Many van lifers and RV builders choose it for its strong chassis and heavy-duty capabilities. The extended wheelbase and high payload allow creative, rugged builds without sacrificing safety or performance. In summary, the GMC Savannah G3500 is not just a van, it's a workhorse built for those who need more than transportation. With its powerful engines, high towing and payload capacities, and versatile configurations, it stands among the most capable commercial vans on the market. It's not flashy or trendy, but it delivers what truly matters: strength, durability, and reliability. If your job demands a van that can handle the toughest tasks without breaking a sweat, the GMC Savannah G3500 is ready to be your ultimate work partner.